Bats are the only mammals that have powered flight. And this enables them to visit the Zambian forest at precisely the time that fruit trees are ripening. The roost is a crowded place. And bats, like all of us, have things they need to do. One thing is for certain. It's better not to be in the lower branches. The heat of the day has passed, and as the light fades, the bats start to take off. Guided by their acute sense of smell, they head off in search of fruit. Within just 30 minutes, some 10 million bats take to the air. This is the largest and densest concentration of mammals to be found anywhere on the planet. They consume up to 5,000 tons of fruit every night. And within 3 short weeks, they will distribute over 1 billion seeds. Enough to plant an entire forest. But today, both these bats and their forest are under threat. Human beings have claimed the land, cutting down trees to create farms and build houses. The delicate natural balance is at risk. Without our protection, the survival of entire forests and their remarkable inhabitants are in danger.